Hello and welcome to another update video about Fetch AI. FET reacted to our support zone here, but the movement from the lows is not really convincing yet. So it does look a little bit like a three-wave move up. But that being said, trying to micro count structures on this degree is usually not very helpful and can frustrate. So what we want to see now is the market push a little bit higher, possibly to $1.42, which is a standard Fibonacci target here, the 38.2 extension for this wave one, maybe even to $1.55. Essentially, it should be in this area where this wave one of possibly a larger degree third wave finishes. Yeah, so at the moment this is too short, I haven't got a really good read of the microstructures. This is choppy and corrective of the lows. It's certainly not impulsive, so that could be a warning, but that doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. It might just form a leading diagonal in wave one of three of the larger third wave. And yeah, wave ones can be diagonals. It's just that usually wave ones in third waves are not so common as diagonals. So it's a warning, that's it. You know, anybody who entered in the support area, all I want to say, just be ready. The price could test the lower support area again. And I haven't added a new support zone because the structure gives us a bit of a warning, and because we haven't even broken above the recent highs. Market is still forming overall lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, we had a really good reaction to support, absolutely. And the market moved up like over 10%, like even 12%, right? So that's a decent move, but it's not strong enough yet and structurally not clear enough yet to really confirm that this is wave one of circle three to the upside. A lot can happen along the way, and the choppy nature of this move up with very corrective looking movements, no overlap, yeah, slight overlap even between these highs and these lows that happened today, is just a bit of a warning. Now, again, it might turn into a diagonal, and how would that look like? As a diagonal pattern, this here would probably be 1, 2, and I'm going to change the wave degree in a minute, then 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is just an idea, okay, because in diagonals, the subwaves are all corrective, and this here could be the A-B pattern in wave 3. So we could be in wave B of 3, but this is likely going to change because we're dealing with corrective structures, and they typically, the subwaves tend to change, you know. But and as I said, a diagonal in wave one of a larger third wave is not so common. It is quite rare, and therefore we have to be prepared for different outcomes here. It's possible also that circle wave 2 is still unfolding, which is why I'm leaving the lower support area where it is. It's not moving, it's not invalid or anything, you know, it's still relevant, and I haven't got I can't add another support area yet. So that means the lower support between $1.09 and $1.26 is still relevant. And if we form another low, then we are rather going to, or probably going to test $1.21 or $1.16. And a first indication that we are doing that would be a break below the last low here at around $1.29, because that's the internal possible wave 2 low on the micro level. And if this really is a B wave pullback, and I haven't labeled it, but if this move down currently is a B wave, and it looks corrective, so it could be, but then it shouldn't really go below that $1.29 level. So breaking below it will be an indication that circle wave 2 is still unfolding. That's the update about Fetch AI. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.